I love teaching prepositions, and so do the families that I support. So many years ago, I decided to build a preposition kit that I could loan to families. Starting with a large empty container, my kits have grown and grown and grown and grown as they were used by more and more families. Today, it is jam-packed with a wide variety of materials. My kit has an inventory list which describes the why, what, and how of using stuff in the kit. Families start off making sure their child is aware of the icon on their Minspeak device by matching it to the icon on the card. Then the family is encouraged to engage in a variety of experiential learning activities. That includes dressing up in the purple preposition shirt, using the bridge toy, and to play with the purple blob. We want to make sure that every modality is being used to learn about prepositions, so the family plays physical games and sings songs. And if a little extra help is needed in associating a concept to the icon, embellished icon cards or pics-on-picture cards are in the kit. Literacy activities are used the most often by families. My kit includes 3 books from a bookstore, a book that a family downloaded from TeachersPayTeachers, and a flash drive with free books from the AAC Language Lab. Games are also a favorite item in the kit. Playing these games makes learning fun and provides lots of repetition with variety. My kit has a Chutes and Ladders game, playing cards, bingo boards, a bug preposition game from TeachersPayTeachers, word game pages with things like scrambled sentences and crossword puzzles, and more stuff from the AAC Language Lab. For playing Chutes and Ladders, I included directions and other supports to maximize learning of prepositions. That includes cards for all the prepositions and cards with the words up and down used in many different phrases. While it is fun to read stories and play games, it's essential that the words being learned are applied into authentic daily activities to meet real-life communication needs. My kit has recipes with scripts to direct cooking activities. There is also a simple task analysis for using prepositions when brushing your teeth, and some simple ways to initiate a conversation, which I call mini scripts. There are also low-tech supports in the kit, which can be used by communication partners to model or as backup systems if use of the Minspeak device is not possible or advisable, such as in the bathtub or playing at the beach. Families are encouraged to take a copy of the list of prepositions to track their child's progress. Finally, all families are encouraged to add to the kit. Everything is welcome and everything is appreciated.